Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Katie, for those of you that don't know me, and I love to make home decor and lifestyle videos here on YouTube. So today's vlog, we're gonna start Saturday at Jayden's baseball game. You guys, the season is almost over. We had so much fun this season and he has improved so much. Look at my boy. Life has been extremely busy around here in between taking Kaylin's to her therapies and Jayden's baseball games and practice. It has taken a lot of my time. So I wanted to give you a little, behind the scenes of how my weekends are. And we won the game, by the way. Then I took them to a little festival that they were having in the neighborhood, and it was so cute. They really enjoyed it. They had a great time. This was our first time coming to this event in the neighborhood. They do it every year, and honestly, I'm glad we came this year because they have so many different activities for the kids, and everything pretty much is free. And then they have food trucks, they have live music. It was so cool. They also have free cotton candy, so you already know Kaylin was happy about that one. Look at her. Finally decided on a chandelier for the living room, and my brother came on Sunday to install it for me, and I was so happy. Look at Kaylin. She wanted to get in there. Then we were figuring out the height. The only thing that we noticed was that the installation is too back, like against the wall. And while we were inside, the kids were outside with Jonathan enjoying the pool, and it was such a nice hot day on Sunday. I am so impressed with the quality of the chandelier. I was a little scared, I'm not gonna lie. I got it on Amazon, and for the price tag that I got it, I was like, oh my god, it's gonna look cheap. But no, it is absolutely gorgeous. The camera does this not justice. You have to see it in person. It's gorgeous. The crystals sparkle so much. And here's how everything is looking now with the new chandelier. You see what I mean? We're gonna move it forward in the next few weeks so it could be more centered into the space. So on Sundays, I like to reset the house for the new week. So I vacuum the entire house, and now I'm over here mapping the entire house as well. And I make sure everything is on its place on Sunday. So when we wake up on Monday, we have a clean home and a fresh start to have a great week ahead.
Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. Before you make up your mind that I'm nowhere to find, I'm standing right here. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that.
So on Sundays for dinner, I keep it very simple. This time I'm making yellow rice, and the hubby's gonna bring a chicken from the store, and then I make a sauce with peppers and onions, you're gonna see in a second, to throw it on top of that chicken, and it makes things so much better. But yeah, we're keeping it simple here with some yellow rice and chicken. So while the food is cooking and the hubby gets home with the chicken, me and Jayden go over his spelling words. So he has a spelling test every Monday, so we always go over his words and practice.
Maybe I'm just too weak, maybe I'm just afraid of being alone. Well, I don't care, 'cause right now I feel the love that we said we would burn.
So here I am cutting those peppers, tomatoes, and onions to make that little sauce that I throw on top of my store-bought chicken. It makes it so much better, you guys. It tastes so good. My family love when I do this, so this is what I do. I put olive oil on a pan and I use 2 of the Goya seasoning in there, and I throw my peppers in there, my onions, with a little bit of lime and vinegar.
Would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy, or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy, or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy, or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Till the morning light, till the morning light, till the morning light, yeah. Till the morning light, till the morning light, till the morning light, yeah. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me.
And little Kaylin got up from her nap just in time, but look how she does. She gets up and she still has her eyes closed and she's whining and complaining and crying. It is the funniest thing that she does. Look at her. So KK, it's up. Hey, baby. And dinner is almost ready. I'm just waiting for the hubby to bring, what's it called? To bring chicken. So the hubby got home, he brought some chicken, he brought me some coconut water so I could stay hydrated, and also some wine. I appreciate it. He brought my favorite wine. And here's the chicken. I put it in the oven first to get nice and warm. Then I pour all my little peppers and the little sauce that I made into the chicken, and it makes it so yummy, you guys, and juicy. It is the best. And then we all eat, and we head upstairs for bedtime. And that was pretty much for this vlog, you guys. Thanks a lot for watching. I will catch you all on the next one. God bless.